Oh, hello internet, Sister Root. I'm going to show you the filters I use to stop these spammers in their tracks. Go to YouTube Studio, studio.youtube.com. Forget the application because you're not going to find it there. Go to settings. I'll zoom in. Makes it easier. Oops, you fucking dips. Go to settings. After that, go to community. Once you're there, scroll down and you'll get to this. Blocked words. Add Binance, SafePal, TRS20 and USDT. Once you've done this, hit save, then close. And the rest is pretty much up to speed and you will not see a single spammer ever again. At least I hope it works. The dumb bots just haven't figured this out yet because they are all AI generated and we know the rest. Cheers.